A car for sale. We are selling this vehicle you see on the screen.
Yeah, tonka ya uhunu was screen no son.
It's a man cargo truck with hard body, those with big shops. You can use it to convey your goods.
So one second video ya. Yeah, tonka ya uhunu wo video no mon. A man cargo truck and who a day timid juma bia.
It is suitable for all purposes. This man cargo truck can be used to carry heavy loads of all forms.
Mom was stores akese. Muhia car de atwemunyoma. Sa cargo kai beboa mu ye.
Big scale and small scale traders can buy it for their services.
Adwadifo muhia car kese de adi mudwuma. Sa man cargo truck we na eye the right choice. Ekita hard body. Efin bi ani ho na etiapon so.
Call these numbers for any information.
For numbers here uhunu was screen no so.
0242 144867 or 0200 554790 or 0241 060159 and 0555 834234.